If you live in an urban environment and it's difficult to get out in nature, I want to introduce you to the simple beauty of Blueberry Mountain in New Hampshire. It's a fun little climb that doesn't take too long to do. And what's amazing is despite how short this climb is, the views are to die for. So take a moment to drink in, oh, there's my hiking poles, the beauty of the scenery. Imagine that it's seeping into the bones. Feel the strength of the earth knitting inside of you, creating a strength, a resilience that says, I'm gonna be okay. A bird just flew, so maybe tell your spirit that even when you're going through difficult times, there is always freedom in being deeply connected to your light. And for the mind, let it be cleared by the winds and refreshed with the air. I hope you enjoyed this little video.